Halloween is often associated with bold displays and striking transformations, but its essence is equally found in the smallest of details. Ornaments, though subtle, carry a presence that shapes the experience in profound ways. They are not just additions to a setting, they are fragments of mood, whispers of tradition, and symbols of imagination. Through them, a simple environment can shift into one of depth, richness, and atmosphere. What makes ornaments so powerful is their ability to hold meaning. They are not defined by size or grandeur, but by suggestion. A single detail can spark curiosity, inspire reflection, or evoke a sense of wonder. Unlike larger expressions that announce themselves immediately, ornaments encourage us to pause, to notice, and to appreciate the subtleties that make the season memorable. These details embody Halloween's unique spirit. They balance playfulness with mystery, charm with eeriness, familiarity with surprise. They prove that the holiday is not only about spectacle, but about immersion, about creating an atmosphere where imagination thrives. By enriching spaces with layers of meaning, ornaments elevate Halloween into something far beyond decoration. Ornaments speak a language of symbolism. Each detail carries echoes of folklore, fragments of fantasy, and hints of imagination. They are not static, they are part of a larger narrative, inviting those who encounter them to step into stories both old and new. When noticed, they do not just decorate, they communicate, often without words. This symbolic quality allows ornaments to hold emotional weight. Some may suggest mystery, sparking curiosity and a sense of anticipation. Others may feel whimsical, carrying the playful side of the season. Many rest somewhere in between, offering a blend of lighthearted charm and subtle unease. It is this duality that makes them so uniquely tied to Halloween. The role of ornaments in storytelling is not to deliver the entire narrative, but to spark imagination. They leave space for interpretation, encouraging people to fill in the blanks with their own thoughts, memories, and creativity. In this way, ornaments do not dictate meaning, they invite it. The story grows richer because each person completes it differently. Their power lies not in dominance, but in suggestion. Even the smallest design can hold immense meaning when it is part of a greater whole. Ornaments remind us that storytelling is not only about grand gestures, but also about the quiet details that linger in the mind long after they are seen. If these smart small bathroom storage solutions gave you ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who want to make the most of their space. One of the greatest strengths of ornaments is their ability to achieve balance. They enrich without overwhelming, they complement without competing, and they enhance atmosphere without demanding attention. This subtle presence makes them timeless because their impact is felt rather than forced. The balance they bring is not accidental, it is rooted in restraint. Halloween thrives on mood, and ornaments excel at creating layers of mood without disrupting harmony. Instead of drawing focus to themselves, they work as part of a larger whole, ensuring that everything feels intentional and cohesive. This restraint also makes them adaptable. They can enhance moods that lean playful, mysterious, elegant, or haunting, without ever losing their ability to blend. Their versatility comes from their ability to support rather than dominate. In this sense, they are the finishing touches that elevate an atmosphere into something immersive and complete. Through presence balanced with subtlety, ornaments demonstrate an important truth. The most memorable impressions often come not from what is loudest, but from what is carefully chosen. Their quiet strength proves that atmosphere is built on nuance, and that even the smallest details can have the largest effect when placed with thought and care. Which storage idea would you try first? Shelves, baskets, or hidden organizers? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Halloween ornaments carry a quality that makes them endlessly versatile. They are not bound to a single look, tradition, or interpretation. Instead, they flow across styles, shifting to suit different visions of the season. This adaptability is why they remain a constant part of Halloween's identity, even as trends change. They can suggest mystery without fear, elegance without extravagance, or charm without excess. They can exist within themes that are dark and brooding, or within expressions that are light and whimsical. Their versatility lies in their ability to take on meaning from the environment around them, transforming to suit the mood without losing their own quiet strength. This adaptability ensures that ornaments never feel outdated. They evolve as tastes evolve, supporting whatever interpretation of Halloween is desired. Some designs may lean toward refinement, others toward play, but all share the ability to enhance the season without being fixed in time. By holding this flexibility, ornaments show that Halloween is not one thing but many. It is a celebration of imagination, and imagination thrives in variety. Ornaments support this variety by being open to interpretation, offering a foundation of detail that can shift with the vision of each individual. For more clever and practical home design tips, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next space-saving ideas. In the end, Halloween ornaments remind us that greatness lies not only in scale but in detail. They prove that the smallest things can hold the most meaning, carrying the essence of a season within their quiet presence. They do not need to dominate to matter. They enrich simply by existing, by offering subtle sparks of story and mood. Their magic is found in their ability to transform atmosphere. They add layers of nuance, encouraging imagination to flourish. They do not tell us what to feel, they allow us to discover it for ourselves. This openness gives them a timeless quality, ensuring that they remain relevant no matter how the season evolves. By being symbols rather than statements, want more spooky decorating tips? Check out our Halloween playlist linked below. It's filled with creative ideas for every corner of your home. Ornaments show the deeper truth of Halloween. It is not only about what is seen, but about what is felt. It is about transformation, about turning the ordinary into the extraordinary through creativity and imagination. Ornaments embody this truth in their quiet, unassuming way. And so, they endure. They remind us that details matter, that atmosphere is shaped by subtlety as much as by spectacle, and that even the smallest things can leave the greatest impressions. They are proof that the heart of Halloween lives not just in grandeur, but in the small touches that carry magic far beyond their size. In these details, the season finds its lasting voice. They ensure that Halloween remains not just celebrated, but deeply felt.